milkshake. First we need some cocoa powder. We'll take in 2 spoons for this. We need peanut butter. Bananas! Boobs and bananas. Welcome to Lorelei's Banana Show. We need 2 half frozen bananas. No. I'm gonna put it all by myself. Let's put your lid on. And now, tastes very delicious. And you really gotta buy the same thing as my mom. That's great. Good looking cheeky.